When comparing Salesflare versus SugarCRM, you're probably wondering which one truly offers the best customization and flexibility. Both are popular CRM tools, but when it comes to adapting them to your unique business needs, one may stand out more than the other. Stick around till the end, and I'll reveal which CRM offers the best combination of both. Let's start with Salesflare. It's a CRM that prides itself on automation, so customization might not seem like its strongest point at first. But if you're after a system that learns from your data, Salesflare can be quite the game changer. It's a user-friendly tool that automates many of your processes, like tracking emails, social media interactions, and even data entry. However, when it comes to customization, it offers fewer options compared to SugarCRM. For example, you can modify your pipeline stages, but you won't get the same depth of customization in reporting and dashboard views. While it's not as flexible as some other CRMs, Salesflare does a good job of simplifying processes for teams that don't need heavy customization. Next, let's talk about SugarCRM. If you're looking for a CRM that offers deep customization and flexibility, SugarCRM stands out as one of the more adaptable tools on the market. It offers extensive customization options across its features, including the ability to fully adjust your modules, workflows, and layouts. However, the learning curve can be steeper. For companies that need advanced customizability and are willing to invest time into learning the system, SugarCRM is a solid option. But here's the catch: this level of flexibility comes at a price, both in terms of complexity and cost. It's not the easiest CRM to implement, especially for smaller teams without dedicated IT support. The third thing to consider is integration. Both Salesflare and SugarCRM offer integrations with a range of third-party apps. Salesflare integrates easily with tools like Google Workspace and Office 365, and its simple API makes it easy to connect with other software, but you might run into limitations when you need more specialized integrations. On the other hand, SugarCRM excels with its wide array of integrations and offers a more customizable API, which can be crucial for businesses needing complex workflows. But once again, this comes at the cost of a more complicated setup. Now, let's look at support. Salesflare's support is highly rated, especially for its responsive customer service and easy-to-understand documentation. If you're looking for quick answers and simplicity, Salesflare does a great job here. SugarCRM also offers solid support, but its more advanced features may require more specialized help, which could involve a longer response time or additional costs for premium support. The fifth thing is pricing. Salesflare is priced higher than some of its competitors, but it's still a more affordable option compared to SugarCRM, especially when you factor in the costs of customization and extra features with SugarCRM. For companies with a small to mid-sized team, Salesflare might make more sense, while larger organizations with the resources to tackle customization may find SugarCRM worth the investment. Lastly, as a user who's tried both of these CRMs, I can tell you that while Salesflare is a great choice for teams who want ease of use and automation, SugarCRM is the better pick for companies that need advanced customization and flexibility. But here's the thing: both platforms, while strong, may not hit the mark in every area. If you're looking for something that combines the best of both worlds, there is another CRM that might serve your needs better, one that gives you customization, flexibility, and ease of use without the complexities of the ones we've covered. So, if you want to take your business to the next level with a CRM that offers all the benefits of customization and flexibility without the headaches, check out the first link in the description for a free trial. You'll get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Trust me, after trying all these tools myself, this is the better alternative for your goals.